In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Typeform. Creating a quiz in Typeform is straightforward and offers various modes to suit your needs, whether it's for education, marketing, or entertainment. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Typeform account. As soon as you're in, look for the plus Create New Form button and give it a click. This will start you off on the right foot. You'll have the option to either start from scratch or select a template from the Quiz Templates gallery. Choosing a template can give you a head start and some inspiration, especially if you're new to Typeform. Next up is choosing your quiz mode. Typeform offers several quiz modes, each designed to cater to different needs. There's the Knowledge Quiz mode, which is perfect for testing knowledge with correct and incorrect answers. If you're aiming to assign respondents to different outcomes based on their responses, the Match Quiz mode will be your best bet. And for those who want to show different endings based on the combination of answers, the Outcome Quiz mode is ideal. To select your quiz mode, simply click the drop-down menu located in the top left corner of the form editor and choose the mode that suits your needs. Now it's time to add questions. This is where the heart of your quiz lies. Click on plus Add Content and select the question type you'd like to use. Multiple choice is a popular choice, but feel free to explore other question types as well. Once you've chosen a question type, you can enter your question and provide the answer options. If you're working within the Knowledge Quiz mode, remember to set the correct answers by clicking on the handy Set Correct Answers button. To give your quiz some structure, consider organizing your questions into groups. This is particularly useful if you want to create different levels or sections within your quiz. Simply click on plus Add Content and select Question Group, then add your questions to each group as needed. Once your questions are in place, you'll want to set up scoring and outcomes. Head over to the Workflow tab where you'll find options like Branching or Outcome Quiz. Here, you can assign scores to answers and set rules to display different endings based either on total scores or specific answers. To give your quiz that professional touch, you'll want to customize its design. Click on the Design option in the toolbar and start adjusting things like fonts, colors, and the overall background of your quiz. You can also apply a theme that matches your branding, giving your quiz a cohesive look. Lastly, it's time to see how everything comes together. Click on the eye icon to preview your quiz and make sure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with how it all works, click on Publish to make your quiz live and start engaging with your audience. So, that's it for today's tutorial. You're now ready to create an engaging and interactive quiz in Typeform. Thanks for tuning in.